Alright guys, what's going on? So today we are going to be installing an AEM water temp gauge in my LS BMW, but I just come over. I have no idea why this window smashed, but it's not my window, so I guess that's a good thing. Yeah, there's like glass everywhere. But yeah, I have a glow shift gauge in there, but it sucked. It stopped working. It wasn't even reading right, so I guess that's what I get for cheaping out the first time. But
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
But I just took the Allen key bolt out. Coolant's gonna spray at me, but I'm gonna try and be really fast so a whole bunch of coolant doesn't leak out. It's way tighter than I was expecting.
It's always tighter than you're expecting the first time.
Duty hole's always tight. Alright guys, now so I am going to be making a spot for where my gauge goes. This is my wideband right here. I literally just drilled a 52mm diameter hole and then just slid it in there. And I'm going to do the same thing right here. So yeah, let's get drilling. Alright, so just got this one cut out. This is my old glow shift gauge. I'm just using this for fitment. And it actually fits in there super tight, super good. And I actually bored this one out so it actually fit in there a little bit better too. And then this one actually sits flush now. It used to not sit completely flat up against this. But yeah, I was gonna make one of these plates and have like 3 gauges right here, but that's just a whole bunch of work. Drilling 2 holes is a lot easier, and really don't think I'm gonna have any more than these 2 gauges because my tack works. Well, not my speedo, not my fuel gauge, not my water temp, but this works. But yeah, let's get to wiring up this water temp gauge, and should be done for the night. Alright guys, so just got the temp gauge all wired up. It's reading 72 degrees currently. It's probably around 70 degrees out, so I'm guessing that's pretty accurate. I would start it up, but it's like 11 o'clock at night right now. So I might come over here tomorrow, start it up, see if it, goes up to temp and looks correct. And I'm gonna bring my laptop over, make sure it corresponds with the laptop, with the HP tuners, what the HP tuners is reading. But yeah guys, pretty simple install. I didn't use any of the other wires, just power and ground, that's all you need. Alright guys, so I just realized I didn't finish making the water temp gauge video the other day. But I actually just cut this off of my old tractor because this trans tunnel was like huge, and like hot air would just like pour up from here because the exhaust is like, you can literally see the exhaust from under here. So I literally just cut this off my tractor and put it in place, and I'm gonna bend it down a little bit more, and I'm either gonna self tap it or I'm going to weld it to the trans tunnel. I'm probably gonna self tap it though so it comes out easier. But yeah, this alone will like keep out a whole bunch of heat, because I had this over my trans tunnel the other day and it took out, like, it literally made this car at least 15 degrees colder in here just from not having that exhaust heat coming through. But yeah, this was just like a quick like 3-minute thing that I did. I mean, keep a lot of heat out, so I guess that's good. But I'll start it off for you guys real quick to show you, the water temp gauge works and everything. I got my radio working again. As you see, it's going up in temperature and everything. But it's like 98 degrees out today. But yeah guys, hopefully I'll be making another video soon. Maybe drifting this car, I don't know. I kind of want to straight pipe it again because it's super quiet at events. You can like barely hear it and everything. But yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.